Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Court Admission nagbenta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Kamukam College Sahlang ka Court Admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ban yai beteng ya ka Jingshakri jongka sya ka Imlang ka Sahlang. Ka Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage mentaga ganti kala nok senyang da ka bapentei ya ka jaka lejbar ha sosun. Mentaga sengi ka arpsau tarik ujemang arajar arpsan. Ha ka jingi tray rengkat lang bat ka dorbar senong sosun. La play pait ba ya ka public toilet na ka bentagi pait ba nong lej nong wan jong gani ka tain. Bat la IT ban penyai da ka senong sosun. Hashwa ban play ya ka public toilet. La pelong shwa da ka jingi lang hapo ka community hall sosun. Ha ka balay don lang u president ka Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage u Rotarian Bikash Chokhani. Secretary u Rotarian Anupam Chaudhry. Kumjuru urang ba senong ka sosun u ba ti dkhar. Secretary senong ba Prosper Warjri. Kinong kit kam senong lembat kit khot jong ka Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage. Laban kedau baka Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage tang hapok ka sisnem kala no senyang sikat day siya ka Imlang Sahlang kum ka blood donation camp kaya rapan bahaya ki school bad ki way ki project ki balong na benta ka bahaga miat jong upait ba hi.
This public convenience center that we have constructed here under the joint supervision of our club and the Darbar of Sosun. Today we have reached this point where we can celebrate and inaugurate this small little project, and I hope that this project, once it is done, from on behalf of the club, will be having an MOU with the Darbar. The Darbar will take over and maintain this public convenience center for the benefit of the citizens of not only Sosun but the people of Shillong at large. So I'm sure that with this project we will continue to extend our cooperation together from the club side along with the Darbar, and maybe in the years to come we can work together and realize with our contribution together towards the community with similar kind of projects.
And it was very fortunate that one day me and Badakhar, we were sitting and we were discussing about our club, and all of a sudden I told him that we want to make a public toilet because we face lots of problems, especially in this area we don't have one. So he told that we can provide you one small space if the Rotary Club can help us in constructing the toilet. So we came, we saw the area, we liked the area, and today we can see the result that yes, it is ready. With the help of my Rotary members, especially Rotarian Sandeep Das, Rotarian Gideon Kharmaflang, who were through and through with me. Yesterday also till 8:39 we were here seeing the project to be completed, and today we are happy that yes, we could do it, and it is on the verge of inauguration. Once again I would like to thank the Darbar Sahlang of the Session that they have had faith in us that yes, we could do the project in a successful manner, and which we have proved yes, the Rotarians can do anything for the community. In future also, we lend our hand in case if any such type of projects are there, sir. We are always there to come forward and help to uplift the society.
We are very, very happy that we yet to start this toilet whom the Rotary Club will donate to us. So I stand here on behalf of the Darbar Sahlang to greet each and every one of you who are here. So at the very outset, the Sahlang would like to express our gratitude and grateful to the Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage, in which through its member, the President, Mr. Vikas Chokani Krishnans, the Secretary Anupam Chaudhary, Bakidian, the Kharmauplang, the senior members of the club, and the members who are present here with us. You have selected this area. In a very short time, we call the executive committee and they agree what you have proposed, and we have given that small part of area in that corner of the community hall, but we thought it is very small. However, when you constructed that toilet, it looked very nice. So, as a community, as a whole, we are very happy, and today you will hand over this project to our locality. Yes, we accepted it with the most heartful gratitude, and we thank you for selecting this area to have this toilet. We don't have a big space, otherwise we should have construct a very nice toilet if we have a big space. They told us like that. However, whatever maybe we have, we give, and now it look very nice. So, my best wishes also to our members of the local Darbar. Since it is a public place, I hope that each and everyone should take care and take responsibility that the place is clean, and the person who will take care of the place will be guided by the Darbar Sinong how to operate, how to keep clean, so that whoever use, they will feel happy. So I don't have any more to say. Anyway, the Darbar will be remember for the Rotary Club whatever you have done, and we heard that you have got so many schemes also. We will see if we need your help. We will request you in the future. So I therefore convey my best wishes from the Darbar Sinong to each and every members of the club.